HIT Sun Protocol. Sunlight in a bath. Bring the power of sunlight directly into your bath with this step-by-step HIT Sun Protocol. The goal is to harness the healing and rejuvenating energy of the sun through minerals, electrical currents, light frequencies, and water. This soak combines bioelectricity and the natural energy of the sun to cleanse, recharge, and restore your body at a cellular level. Duration: 15-30 minutes. Tub. Standard HIT tub with 3 cathodes at feet and 1 anode plus above head current, DC. 3-6 volts. Adjust based on comfort. Step 1. Prepare the solar spectrum. Solucionto. Begin. Create the perfect electrolyte solution to mimic sunlight's nourishing properties. Use warm water, not hot, and mix in the following ingredients. Magnesium 300,500 mg to relax muscles and boost cellular energy. Zinc 10-15 mg supports the immune system and helps with skin regeneration. Selenium 10020 mg enhances detox pathways and supports thyroid function. Potassium 20030 mg essential for hydration and nerve function. Calcium 300 mg strengthens cell membranes and supports bone health. Sodium bicarbonate 1 ts alkalizes and reduces inflammation. Borax pinch helps with hormone balance and acts as an antifungal. Sea salt or pink salt 1 tsp provides trace minerals for conductivity. Optionally, add a few drops of lemon or orange essential oil to create a fresh, sunlit aroma. Step 2. Set the electrodes for solar flow. Position the electrodes as follows. Anode plus. Place above your head, at the crown or slightly above to mimic sunlight entering the body. Cathodes. Position 3 around your feet, on your soles, calves, or lower back of the tub. This creates a flow of energy from your crown to your feet, grounding and releasing toxins. This electrode setup simulates the upward flow of energy from the earth through your body, like a beam of sunlight. Step 3. Add light frequency. Optional, but enhances the experience. For an extra boost, introduce some light frequencies that mimic the spectrum of the sun. Red light 630700 nm enhances blood flow and stimulates cellular repair. Near infrared light 850940 nm reaches deeper tissues for healing and pain relief. Full spectrum LED or halogen bulb mimics natural sunlight for full body benefits. Far infrared heating pad or lamp replicates the warmth and circulation stimulating effects of sunlight. Place the light panels around the tub or overhead to maximize the solar-like effects. Step 4. Set the sun state mental and energetic focus before you immerse yourself. Stand by the tub and take a moment to center yourself. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Visualize yourself stepping into liquid sunlight, feeling the energy of the sun surrounding and charging you. Mentally affirm, I welcome the healing light that cleanses and restores me. My body remembers the sun and returns to balance with its energy. This sets your energetic intention for the soak, allowing you to connect more deeply with the experience. Step 5. Soak and observano. Step into the bath and begin soaking. Start with 10-15 minutes and gradually increase the time as you feel comfortable. During the soak, keep your focus on the following sensations. Feel any tingling or warmth as the minerals and electrical currents work through your body. Notice any pulsations in your feet or crown as the current flows and the detox process begins. Pay attention to any emotional or physical releases, such as deep relaxation or clarity. Enjoy the calming effects of 432 Hz or 528 Hz frequencies, or listen to natural sounds like birds or ocean waves to amplify the sun-like experience. Step 6. After soak carriance, your soak is complete. Gently rinse off with warm water. Hydrate with clean water, optionally adding a pinch of salt or a squeeze of lemon for extra recharging. If possible, spend a few minutes outside in natural sunlight to deepen the connection. Take a moment to journal or reflect on any shifts in your body or mind. You may feel more grounded, clear, or energized. This protocol allows you to bring the power of the sun directly into your body, using both electrical energy and mineral support. Whether you're recharging your cells, boosting your immune system, or simply soaking in healing light, this protocol can provide a deeply rejuvenating experience, mimicking the life-giving energy of the sun itself.